Hello everyone, hope you're having a good day, and I'm Yashi, the COO of OPOfinance, and in the next 10 minutes I will try to give you a better perspective of what I've been studying for the previous year and everything that we went by the layer, and right now we're implementing on OPOfinance. Let me ask you a question, show me by the raise of the hand. Between $900,000 guaranteed today and $1 million for 90% tomorrow. Which one would you choose? Who is gonna go for $900,000 guaranteed today? Show me your hands. Don't be shy, show me. Which one would you choose? I see most of the room is choosing $900,000. That's exactly what I've been predicted. But why? Have you ever decided why? Because when you are winning, you don't want to risk anything. But the question is that 95% chance of winning $1 million was not enough? It was. But you didn't want to risk that 5%. This is the recognizing bias. You don't want to risk it. That's exactly what is happening. You want to be certain. You want to be certain with your decisions, with your wins and everything, but certainty is just an illusion. Certainty is something that you have been created in your mind, and this illusion in trading can make huge mistakes. When you're doing $1 trillion trading, these mistakes are so costly. So, this entire thing that is bring volatility to the financial markets can bring some sunny days like you're winning and some not really sunny days when you're losing and you're deciding to risk it. Brokers trying to protect themselves from volatility and traders want to hide from volatility. This is the fear of every market, right? That it's so volatile, we cannot predict it, we cannot do anything about it. Let me tell you something. When you see volatility as a chaos, AI see patterns waiting to be decoded, waiting to be discovered. But why it's happening? You are not trading just like something that is happening with like, rational agent. Everyone were thinking about like rational agents, but humans are not rational. And this risk management for you guys is not going to be something easy. But AI plus risk management roadmap, it's going to be the winner strategy. But how we can do it? First step, you cannot build a Ferrari on a dirt road. You need to be completely clean with your data. You need to be completely consistent with the data that you're doing, handling, monetizing, whatever you're doing with that data. And plus, you should not be emotional. What is the second? When you're going through all of this data and monetizing and everything that is happening with you guys, you need to make sure that you're always getting the same resources. The resources are not happening every day. We're human, we're not consistent. We don't know what to do with that. And the third one, you need a living engine. Humans don't like to lose. You should admit that every time that you're losing, the fear of losing is always double than the joy of winning. So the moment that you're losing, you don't want to continue that. You don't want to even look at that. When you're like opening a trade, you want to run away from that trade that is losing. You're not going to pay attention to it because it's completely normal. We are working with the first system, automation, but AI is learning from those mistakes. And it also records all of them and being rational with all of those lessons that they've learned. So what's gonna happen? We're going to go through the trader's psychology. A trader's psychology has fear, greed, overconfidence, loss aversion. The moment that you're winning, you think that I'm the king of the world. I'm going to go further with that. I don't want to risk it. But the moment that the AI is looking at the same trade, they're going to be, no, you could have gone further. This is exactly the same thing that happened in the first slide. You didn't want to risk it. You're greedy, you want to go for further. And the moment that you're losing, you're going to risk everything for that. This is the rule of human psychology. When we are losing, we're going to risk everything. And the moment that you're winning, you don't want to go for anything. So how we can help with this entire emotional things that you're having? The answer is not the market. The problem is the trader. How we can handle that? We can go with self-awareness. Self-awareness is the exact same thing that help you to go through every decisions that you guys are making. With using AI, with a living machine, every data is going to be compiled on top of each other. The living machine is going to analyze the data. The living machine is going to help you to make better decisions. And when the moment that you are getting self-aware, you're going to have the revolution. And this is the exact same thing that we've been working at in OPOfinance. We're going to start with what? We're going to have AI as the basement of the entire applications and everything that we're doing. The AI is going to compile all of the data and every behavior that the trader is having, how they've been thinking, if they're closed the trade super fast or if they're closed it super slow, the way that they've been thinking, every biases, financial biases, cognitive biases, decision-making biases. And the moment it's going to give them an alarm that this decision could have been better. Or are you aware of the fact that you're going to have cognitive dissonance? Are you aware of the fact that you're going to have overconfidence? And something like this. And after that, we're going to learn how to trade smarter, not harder. And we're going to make better decisions. The future of Forex isn't about fighting the risks. It's about learning to dance with it, and AI is the rhythm. So you're going to listen to the music, you're going to hear the music, and you're going to enjoy that. Thank you everyone for your time, and let me know if you needed anything. Thanks a lot. Thank you.